I wonder where our adventure will be taking us today.
Whatever it is, I'm sure my super strength can help.
Morning, Superwings! Today's mission is taking you to Munich, Germany.
A boy named Julian is on his way to the construction equipment fair, and he's going to need your help. He's heading there to interview all the cool construction equipment, but he's going to need a hard hat and safety wear to get near them.
Better safe than sorry. We can help him.
Prepare for launch!
There's so much here at the construction equipment fair. I can't wait to interview everyone.
Wow, look at that.
There's an excavator and a mighty loader. They're gonna be great for my interview vlog. Right, Mom?
Mm-hmm. They sure will be. But, to get close enough to interview them, you're gonna need a hard hat and things. We don't have those.
Oh no, how will I do my interviews? If only the Superwings were here.
Here we come with Lightspeed help. I'm Jet, on time every time.
And I'm Marty, strong as they come.
Guten Tag, I'm Julian, and this is my mom.
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag. Let's see if this can help you.
Thanks. I wonder what's inside. Yay! A hard hat and safety wear. Yes! Now I can interview all the construction equipment. Hey, Jet, Marty, will you help me interview them?
You bet! I can shoot a video of you with the camera.
And I can handle the boom mic with my crane.
Great! Mom, now that I have my safety wear and the Superwings to help, can I start my interviews?
Mm-hmm. Sure, Julian. Just make sure to stay with the Superwings the whole time.
Will do, Mom. Let's go, guys! Wow! Let's interview that loader!
He looks super strong.
I am.
Hi! You remind me of me.
Start the interview, Julian.
Hi, loader. Your arms look so strong. Does that mean you can lift me too?
Sure thing. Come hop in. Up.
Whoa! Wow! Amazing!
Looking good, Julian.
Mighty good.
You lifted me so easily. Think you could lift the Superwings too?
Oh.
Of course I can. Get in my bucket, Superwings. Are you ready? Up and down and up.
Yeah!
And down.
Your arms are so strong.
Yep, they need to be to build roads, highways, buildings, even tunnels.
Thanks for that interview, loader. I got lots of great stuff from it.
Whoa, so cool.
Huh? Hey, an excavator. Let's interview him next.
Hello, excavator. What do you do?
I dig art. Ta-da!
Whoa!
Amazing.
So cool.
Thanks. Whoa! Huh? Oh no!
Hiya! I'm a roller and I can't help flattening things.
But Roller, that was Excavator's art.
Yeah. Oh, well, I'll just remake it. Hey!
Told ya, I can't help it. Uh-oh, here I go again.
Oh, no, you don't!
Oh, yes, I do.
Oh, no, you don't!
Oh, yes, I do.
Hello?
I'd like an interview, please.
Of course.
Wow, it's a forklift.
We have a friend at World Airport just like you.
Cool. Hey, Forklift, what can you show us?
Well, I'm very proud of my lifting abilities. Check it out. See?
Oh, nice try, Forklift. Keep practicing and... Huh?
Huh?
Whoa, what's happening?
I'm a tower crane and I'd be great for your vlog interview. Look how high I can lift things.
Wow! I've always wanted to interview a tower crane. Amazing!
Whoa! Amazing is right.
Man, I can do more. Check this out. My new Super Turbo extension. Whoa, he just keeps going up.
Oh my!
Hold on a second, Tower Crane. I think you're going a bit too high.
Too high is right.
I think you can stop now.
Hey, tower crane! Watch out! You're going to hit them!
Huh? Whoa! Huh? Uh-oh. I cracked through the ceiling.
Whoa!
Oh, I can't get out.
Somebody help me!
We'll help you! Just calm down!
Quick, Julian, hop in. We have to save that forklift.
Oh no! It's falling off!
I've got this. Don't worry. It's time to amp things up. Electric speed!
Thank you!
Nice catch, Jet.
Now to get the crane unstuck. But how?
We'll help.
Great!
Perfect. We'll pull him out of the hole.
Mighty hook deploy! Whoa! I'll help you, Marty.
Didn't mean for him to pull me.
Let's pull together.
Huh? My head! It's stuck!
He's really stuck in there. If only the hole was bigger.
How do we make it bigger?
By using my lifting skills to lift out a piece of the ceiling. If I can go up there without getting too nervous.
You can do it!
I can do it. I can do it.
Oh, I'll never get out of...
Help is here. Come on down, Crane.
Okay. Whew. You guys are the best.
Yeah!
You know it.
Electric Superwings and construction equipment energized to save the day.
That was a great interview and rescue.
Thanks for your help, Superwings.
I couldn't have done my vlog without you. Thanks.
You're welcome. Well, it looks like our work here is done.
Bye-bye.
Three, two, one, blast off! Superwings, we deliver!
Here, subscribe to our channel.